In manufacturing, every second matters. That's why choosing the right CAM solution and the right partner behind it can make all the difference. We talked with the team at OptiTrack about their transition to ESPRIT EDGE and their experience working with PMT.
My name is Studach. I'm the machine shop manager here at OptiTrack. It has been great. We are very happy that we changed from the previous software to ESPRIT. It definitely increased the ability to program in a production environment. It's very user-friendly. We don't regret that step. In the production environment, I definitely would recommend switching to ESPRIT. It has been a good experience. They provide good training, very responsive if you put a ticket in. So far, so good.
Hello, my name is Vasily Novikov. I'm a CAD/CAM programmer. I'm using ESPRIT EDGE here. Mostly I program in horizontal machines and sometimes vertical as well. I really like that ESPRIT can give you very precise model of machine, and you can create your own models of some picture. And if your model is correct, that means what you see here, the same you will see in the machine. If you send tickets in the morning, usually it takes a few hours to respond from it, and it always was helpful, great advices and great help. Yes, I enjoy it. I really enjoy it. It's very easy, especially if you have production lines. You have some type of fixture with bunch of parts on it. ESPRIT EDGE is very good at it. Yeah.
At PMT, we believe success starts with the right partnership. Guided, supported, successful. That is the PMT way.